So if you're thinking of getting this Guardian Angel tea light holder, then this is my honest opinion and my honest review. So I've had this for about a year, and there's a few things I like about it, and then something to bear in mind. So the things I like about it is that it's really, really high quality. So hopefully you can see this on the camera. This is a real, like, I don't even know what this is made of, like ceramic or marble or stone, but it's so high quality. It's all kind of created from one piece, and it has this really nice, like, durable feel to it that make it just perfectly suited to wherever you want to have this. It has a glass tea light holder in the middle, which I love because, again, high quality, and because it's glass, it kind of like radiates out the light from the candle in all directions. It has such a beautiful effect in the evening, like when the candle's on and it kind of like casts this shadow of the angel behind on the wall. It looks so beautiful, and it really does create a lovely energy in your house. So but then one thing to bear in mind is that, again, because it's stone or whatever this material is, it can, if you drag it across like a black desk or something like that, it can leave a mark. But if you're just going to put it in one place and leave it, it's not a problem. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice kind of angel candle holder, that's something that's going to actually improve the look of your house and give you a nice energy, then I highly recommend this Guardian Angel tea light holder.